This looks like you.
It looks like a U? Like an
Yeah.
upside down U, huh? You're right, it does.
This is a swing.
A swing? Yeah, it does look like a swing. You're right.
Here's another swing. This looks like B. This is a red swing. This is a...
Gentle?
He...
Gentle with me, too.
And the kids
Gentle.
you can swing that.
What are you doing with If Easton wants to hold it, he can. Okay, he can touch it. Be really gentle with it. Easton, are you going to walk?
Here's a big bat up here. He's high up top.
Easton. Gentle, gentle.
I see the taste cup.
Do you remember where you got that? Where'd you get it?
Cameron's party.
Cameron's party?
To have a birthday on Sunday.
Hey, Taylor, do you need to go potty? What is that on there? Who is that?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Do you know who that is? Take it from a 2.5-year-old. She said, no, thank you. Do you know who that is? That's Barack Obama. What do you think? Do you want to watch Barack Obama?
No. I want to watch. I want to watch something else.
Something else? Anything else, huh? Okay, I understand. I was watching Barack Obama and Mitt Romney having debates.